I would push every penny that I can into that company to continue to grow the top line because your return on that is incredible. Here's this week's episode in 60 seconds. But like I said, this is very situational. If you're service industry and you're not really trying to build equity, let's take that profit, right? Like there's got to be a really good reason why you're going to sink money back in. If you're going to sink money back in, that profit better go way up. But if you're in an equity building situation and you're getting a really great multiple, keep the cash in the company, grow that top line, grow that equity value, and you'll have something really big, much, much better return than you could get in the market. This is very situational. And I will tell you this, what's true for you today might not be true for you 2 years from now, 3 years from now. I don't ever want to give you a one-size-fits-all answer. I think this is very situational, but it's something that you need to ask yourself often.